So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on your iPhone device. So first of all, go to settings. On here you can see at the bottom apps, then App Store, Face ID, passcode, notifications, search, Siri, wallpaper, accessibility, and you can see the general settings of the phone. So I suggest you go to that. Once you clicked on that, you can see about, a software update, iPhone storage, AirDrop. You can see date and time, dictionary, keyboard, and of course you can see the language and the region. So open that. You can see some preferred languages. So some of the languages that you've added before, they may even put in some suggested languages that they think that you want to use. And on here you can click on add language. And you'll be taken to this select a language tab, and you can choose between all sorts of languages available to iPhone users. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down to get to the bottom, and I'm only at the letter U right now, and it really took me a long time to find language or languages to go through all of them. So if I click on cancel, you can see under the preferred languages, you can click on that and find manually. But if you have it on here, if you switch languages a lot, you can just go ahead and choose one of it. So let's choose Italian. I clicked on Italian and held for a moment, and I just need to put it at the top of the table for it to switch. I'm not going to do that right now, but this is the process. You need to hold that language and put it at the top of that line in order to start the change process. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.